Ooh no, bleeding gums. The shocking truth. You're probably ignoring. Have you ever noticed a little blood when you brush or floss? You might have told yourself, it's nothing, just brushing too hard. But what if that tiny bit of bleeding is actually your body's early alarm system, warning you of something much bigger? In this informative plus interesting and eye-opening video, we're breaking down the surprising, often underestimated world of bleeding gums and gum health, and why ignoring it could cost far more than your smile. The hidden story behind bleeding gums. Bleeding gums aren't normal. They're one of the very first signs of gingivitis, the earliest stage of gum disease. If untreated, this silent condition can quietly progress to periodontitis, causing irreversible damage to your teeth, gums, and jawbone. Why should you care? Because gum disease isn't just about your mouth. Chronic inflammation in your gums has been scientifically linked to heart disease, diabetes complications, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, premature birth and low birth weight in pregnant women. Yes, your gum health is directly connected to your entire body's health. Early red flags you must watch for: bleeding when brushing or flossing, swollen, red, or tender gums, persistent bad breath, gum recession, longer-looking teeth, loose teeth. Even if you have no pain, these symptoms are your mouth's desperate cry for help. The root cause. Bleeding gums are caused by plaque buildup, a sticky film of bacteria that triggers your immune system. If not removed, this plaque hardens into tartar, creating a vicious cycle of infection, inflammation, and tissue destruction. The good news? Gum disease is highly preventable and even reversible if caught early. In this video, we'll show you the proper brushing and flossing techniques most people get wrong, the importance of professional cleanings, how nutrition, hydration, and lifestyle affect your gums, cutting-edge treatments like scaling, root planing, and laser therapy, the surprising role of the oral microbiome and how to balance it. The future of gum health. Thanks to modern advancements, we now have access to DNA-based bacterial testing, guided tissue regeneration, minimally invasive laser treatments, salivary diagnostics for early disease detection. If you care about your smile, your health, and your future, you need to understand what your gums are telling you. Stop thinking bleeding gums are normal. They're not. Watch this video to uncover what's really happening inside your mouth before it's too late. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert dental insights and life-changing health facts. Your gums are talking. Are you listening?